As of January 2022, there is a new set of Solar Plus storage battery incentives in Connecticut. Utility customers who install battery storage within Eversource and UI territory may qualify for the Energy Storage Solutions Rebate through Connecticut Greenbank. This program features an initial upfront rebate of $200 per kilowatt hour of storage capacity installed with a cap of $7,500. For example, an 18 kilowatt hour battery would be eligible for a $3,600 upfront rebate. Residential customers enrolled in this program will also receive performance incentive payments every year based on the average power their battery contributes to the grid during critical periods. Depending on the kilowatt rating of your storage system, you can get paid over $1,000 per year on average. When installing a new Solar Plus storage system in 2022, you are also eligible to receive the 26% federal tax credit. Contact Green Power Energy for a quote on your Connecticut solar project and take advantage of the new storage incentives today.